Welcome to the journey. We are back in New York City for another hotel review.
We are Sheraton Club level, ladies and gentlemen. 20th floor.
Back with another one coming at you from a familiar destination for Jenical's journey. We are back in New York City. Trying out a new hotel. We are sticking with our Marriott brand per usual. Today we are at the Sheraton. We'll give you a little bit more details about that in a second, but we're just going to come in and get this room tour going because that's why you're here. Here is the bathroom. As soon as you come in, right on your left hand side, this is what we're looking like. Glass. It's the shower head. Old school New York it looks like. We'll have to ask the professional about that in a second. Here is the sink. Here is some products, body lotion. And down here we have a couple of glasses, some extra TP, a hairdryer, and some towels. A nice magnified mirror, we love that. And let's swing around. So here is the room. Oh, hey, Michael.
Oh, hey guys, what's going on? How's everyone today? Welcome to the Sheraton Tribeca. Normally I have a handy dandy Bud Light, but the Sheraton Tribeca was kind enough to have a wine reception that's I think from 3 to 5. TV, unfortunately we normally put our streaming with the TV, but earlier we tried to do that and it wasn't working, so we'll put, normally try to put our channel on and it was saying no internet. So that's a jeers.
Yeah, we don't love that. We don't love that, but we're not here for the TV. You guys know that. We are here visiting fam, celebrating good things.
And I'll take wine over the internet thing any days. So we're here for my my cousin's having a baby, so we're here for the baby shower.
And look at this cute little book. It's about the Mets. If you guys are Mets fans out there, check this book out. You got it on Amazon, I think, so it's super accessible.
And I got the best book.
And so we have an ice bucket. We've got a $5 bottle of water, a couple more glasses.
Don't be detracted by the $5 bottle of water because they do provide you with 2 complimentary Aquafinas as well. So just keep that in mind. Don't go for the $5 water.
Unless you get desperate. There's also on this floor,
fridge.
There is a vending machine. Let's take a look at that fridge. Nothing in there. That's an abnormally.
That's an abnormal thing for Jenical's journey, correct?
But a little freezer, enough to fit a few beverages or leftover food. That is always appreciated when you get that fridge. When you don't, it is not great. All right. So what other amenities do we have? A little desk here. That is Michael's laptop for work laptops. That does not come with the room. Old school phone, but you don't really need that when you're at a hotel. Plenty of plugs, coffee maker, tea, and some more art. And let's do the big reveal.
So is the view going to be a cheers or a jeers? I don't know if you remember one of our first videos where our New York City hotel room was of a pipe. Our view was literally of a dusted, dilapidated pipe. So will this view be great or will it be a cheers? Cheers or jeers? Let's see.
It's a cheers.
That's a cheers. That's a cheers.
Welcome to New York. Speaking of Pearl Jam, as you can see, Michael's shirt is a Pearl Jam shirt. And Taylor Swift just dropped their albums. We're so excited. We are listening to 2 of our favorite albums in the background, and we hope you guys are enjoying them too. We know you guys are out there, so keep it up.
And for you folks who have that rooftop terrace over there and aren't utilizing it, well, in this beautiful day, you folks are crazy.
Yeah, look at that. That is what dreams are made of.
I will literally be having a beer, maybe a barbecue over there, but nobody's utilizing that beautiful terrace there.
So this is it. It's New York. You can open your window, which I know is risky, especially in this city, but we do like a little bit of fresh air. So.
Yeah, I know you guys just heard that siren. That's because the window was open. This is a pretty thick glass, so don't be deterred by that. Plug ports on the lamp, so 2 charging stations here.
Yep.
So that's pretty good.
Michael said the bed was nicely made.
Look at this bed presentation here.
He thought it was great.
That's a great job by the housekeeper making the bed.
And we did even sit on it once or twice, and it's still looking nice and crisp.
How about that dust test?
Yeah.
Let's see here.
Let's take a
little bit of pickup here. A little bit of pickup.
All right. So that's a standard on Jenical's journey. We just like to see the upkeep. Let's show you a clock check.
Clock check. So this says 3:54. And it's 3:52, so off by 2 minutes.
Shout out to our cat.
Shout out to the kitty cat. Not too crazy, 2 minutes.
We've got a full-size mirror here, and in the closet, which we do have a few of our things in there, so don't mind that, but a nice large safe up top, a couple of hangers, an ironing board, and an iron must be in there or somewhere.
And we're also going to show you the lounge and the rooftop decks. For you lounge fans, from 5:30 to 7:30, it's complimentary beer and wine. That's a huge plus. You don't get that in Massachusetts, but in New York City, beer and wine, complimentary.
Gotta love that.
Standing in New York City, you have to do the tap here. And we're going to the 21st floor. Look at this beautiful view of New York City. Can't beat that. Right across the street from the hotel is Lucia's of Soho. We saw a line out the door, so we went there. This is what their pizzas look like. I had to take a bite of the Roni. Jen has a spinach, pesto, and something else. Roni pizza is delicious. Pepperoni, 6.5. Regular cheese, 8.
All right, I'm gonna have to have a bite of that regular cheese and see what it's all about. I'm kind of working on both of my slices over here. A little crisp.
Are you dining or having a drink at the bar here? This is their little bar menu for the food options. They have chicken wings, nachos for 2, croquettes sur bechamel, cast iron provolone, and smoked deviled eggs. Ladies and gentlemen, please, if you like this video, don't hesitate to click and subscribe. We really appreciate it. The more subscribers we get, maybe one day we'll be living in that apartment across the street there with that rooftop pool.
This location was super convenient, a 2-minute walk from the subway with lots of great restaurants, coffee, and bars in the area. Cheers!